Hello everyone, I'm Lokesh here. Welcome back to Cadd. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use the design software Catia V5. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our Cadd YouTube channel.
Under Catia, we go for part design environment. Give it as OK. Here in this video, we are going to see how to use strip and then slot feature. So for that, we need a simple sketch. Say I'll be taking a simple sketch on this face. I'll be taking a simple circle. Finish. And also you need a guide curve over here. For that, I'll be taking a sketch on the perpendicular plane. I'll be drawing a guide curve. Say with the help of spline option, I'll be drawing this. So I'll be creating like this. Go for exit. Now you can create your rib option. So go for rib. Here it is asking for a profile. This is my profile, circular profile, and it is asking for a center curve. Center curve is nothing but your guide curve. Select your guide curve. Then you can see your solid has been created like this. So whatever the shape of a guide curve you are having, the guide curve will be taking a shape and the section will be swept over a guide curve. That is, here I have taken a circular section. This circular section has been swept over a guide curve. This is about rib option. In order to remove the material from the rib, that is, in order to remove the material as same shape as a guide curve, we go for slot option. For that also, we require a sketch. On this face, I will be taking a sketch. Say I will be removing a material in a rectangular fashion. So I will be taking a rectangle here. Exit. Then here go for slot option. I will be selecting a profile. This is my profile. And also my center curve. The same center curve I will be selecting. But here it is not visible. So in order to select your center curve, what we will be doing is we will open the part tree. Under part 3, we will be having a sketch, that is sketch 2 is my center curve. Select here. So now you can see the material will be removed in a rectangular fashion. Give it as OK. So now you can see from this end to the top end. So the material has been removed in a same way as the shape of my guide curve. So this is about slot and then rib option. The next option we are going to see is that is the stiffner option. How to use stiffner. So let me delete this first. Here I will be taking a simple section. I'll be taking a section like this. Exit from the sketch and I'll be adding this feature. So now you can see I have created a feature like this. In order to go for stiffner option, so we need a simple sketch. Go for sketch. I'll be selecting a center plane here and I'll be creating a simple line, and with the help of constraints I'll be constraining this feature. Go for constraints. Select the endpoints, that is the endpoint of line and this corner point. Give a right click. Here select as coincidence. So both the points should be coincident to each other. Here also endpoint and then endpoint. Right click, go for coincidence. This sketch is enough for stiffner. Go for exit. Here you can see I have drawn a simple line and coincided my edges. You go for stiffner. We will be selecting a curve. So here you can see your stiffner will be added like this. In order to give a stiffening material to your component, you will be using a stiffner. Here you can specify the thickness you want. Say I will be giving it as 10 mm. Then give it as preview. Then you can see my stiffener has been added to a thickness of 10 mm. If you want the thickness for 5 mm, you can go for 5 mm and give it as OK. Now you can see the stiffener has been created. So this is how we'll be using slot option, rib option and then stiffener options. In the upcoming videos, let us see some more part design features. So this is all for now. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.